Well, ladies and gentlemen, here we are again. I got to my job and the car just turned off. Luckily, it turned off exactly at the yard. But as soon as I try to crank it, and I'm like, oh, damn, what now, you know? So, in theory, I done completely changed everything that has to do with this car when it comes down to fixing the computer, changing the fuel pump, the relay, the starter. That's the fourth thing. So now I was like cranking it and it wasn't turning on. So only thing left to check is the distributor. Now, in order to take the distributor, it's a little trick you gotta do. You grab a flathead and you take out one of the spark plugs, not the spark plugs, but the cable, one of the plugs, and you put this inside the plug, right? And after you put this inside the plug, you crank the car. And if obviously there's no spark, then that means it's your distributor. So I'm lucky right now because it's still nighttime. So let's give this a try. What you want to do is, no matter which one, man, just pop it out and yeah, put your flathead in there. I'm gonna just put my flathead in here. And you gotta, like, when you by yourself, make sure that you have it pointed that way, like towards the windshield, so you can actually see if this spark or not. And that's how you zero down your issue right there. I mean, nothing else should be really going on with the car. I checked everything earlier. Yeah, all my plugs are there, everything else. The only thing left is this damn distributor. So let's see. I am gonna turn off all the lights though, because since it's pitch black, man, am I just blinding y'all? Since it's pitch black, yeah, it's gonna help me out try to actually see the spark. So let's see. Check engine light is going off. Now you should see a spark. Make sure this thing's not in gear before I go straight into the gate. See, it almost turned on. But you see, oh look, there is spark. That's weird. Well, that's super weird. All right, let's try this one out. Same thing. Put it in there. We're gonna do the same thing all over again. What the fuck? Did it jump timing or something? That's just weird, bro. Bro, what the fuck? Well, guys, after all that trouble, I was like, you know what? Let me just take off the dizzy. I also found out that it was leaking pretty bad from the seal, from this seal right here. So this one was going pretty bad. And look at this rotor. So I'm gonna probably take a chance and just swap out the rotor, and hopefully that could be it. From the looks of it, Look like they swapped out the rotor before too. This looks pretty new. But yeah, that rotor's shot. Explains why there was so much dust in here. Yeah, it looks like they swap out the, I forgot. Oh, that's the coil. The coil looks new. The rotor, hell no, that shit look old as hell. So I guess we just gotta wait for AutoZone right now. It's like 5 in the morning right now. So yeah, I'm on standby. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I just got back from AutoZone right now, and I don't know if this is the whole kit, but so I got the cap just in case, because I forgot that usually these little studs right here on the cap actually do get messed up. So let's hope this is the right one. The old timer, they didn't really ask me that much, but this is the rotor. This is how it's supposed to look like. Made in Japan. So you know it's real. Alright, now let's check out the cap on this one. So the cap ain't really that bad, to be honest with you. Can I zoom in on that? It's not bad at all, actually. Oh, and in case you ain't know, just gotta take off that Phillips right there. That shit chopped up, bro. That's crazy. Take that out, just swap it out, and then that's it. Alright, so the cap is on, the rotor's on. Now it's time to just put it in there, plug up the spark plug wires, crank her up, man. Hopefully this is it. All right, Dizzy's on. Moment of truth right here. Ugh. Hell no. Oh, my stupid ass ain't connected Dizzy. Well, now that that's connected. Whew. Still nothing. Still don't want to crank. Should we try to change the cap? Damn. I don't think it's the cap, bro. I think it's the whole goddamn Dizzy. Yeah, look, the cap don't even fucking fit, man. This fucking dude probably didn't even sell me the right thing. God damn it. Alright, new distributor is on. Man, she don't turn on after this, bro. Let's hope. Oh shit, she still does. Oh, fuck. Okay, it's not too dizzy. It's not too dizzy.